What's up, everyone? This is Nova Studios and Landy Pandy. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
And today we're playing Cosmic Prisons, Minecraft PC.
And we're new, but we have played a little bit, so we're sorry about that. We just needed to get the basics down before we did a video. But right now, I'm actually just mining coal. And if you want to join our gang, simple shard. But if you want to join our gang, you have to subscribe to both of our channels.
And I restored.
Yep. And yeah.
Every channel just
and say I subscribed. I got $6 from a stack of iron. What is that?
Oh, did you have a sword?
Yeah.
Where are you? Did you just keep going straight?
Huh. I'm trying to get my mining level.
Did you? Oh, I think I see it. Ooh.
No, I don't see your game plan. Oh, Slade's mining. I'm actually at a higher level now than you are. I'm halfway done with level 6.
Look at the same.
So anyway, sorry if this is boring. We're just now learning the server. If you have any ideas of what we should do, go into the comments down below and put it. We'll definitely read your comments and maybe respond to some of them. Maybe? No, we don't know. Okay. This is breaking an asteroid.
Hey, I see you.
We're now at about the same level, but we gotta get to level 10 each.
I think I'm farther ahead of you.
A little bit because my sword broke. Oh, you're about to get to level 6 or 7? How'd you feel if it broke one hit away?
Does it take like 3-4 times? Okay. Then let's go.
Let's go. Level 7. Hey, get off the mine.
I can do what I want.
It's about to shatter anyway. Oh, I've got full inventory. So I'm just doing this to get levels. Should we go back after we finish this?
Would you left 20 coal?
Yeah, because every coal I mine can't go into my inventory. Okay, explode now. Do slash spawn. Go back to spawn. Slash shop, actually.
Tricked ya.
Yeah, you do realize now.
Never mind.
Yep, you're going backwards.
Because a piece of quartz just disappeared.
Ore exchanger. Okay, so I just sold my whole inventory. I've got $100. I feel strong. Yay, we both have over $100.
How much does a tier 5 sell? Okay.
Plus, what would we use it cell for? I want to know what we
You can put stuff in it.
Yep, then other people will read it.
I think in like cells, can't you like like mine there too?
What?
Can't you like cells you can mine at your cells?
No, I don't think so.
Can't?
No, but I just need some cookies.
Take my avatar, guys. I changed from Spider-Man to my old PE skin.
Yeah, which is one of his favorites.
Yeah. I also have like a ton of other ones. Like I can show you guys.
No, no. God,
I
wait, these are wardens.
I have a ripped guy, a pencil guy, a stormtrooper.
And all those images will be on his account.
Yeah.
There'll be decals on his
For
Roblox
Roblox
account.
Bloxburg.
Yeah, or like decal IDs.
And also, if you're a fan of our Roblox and Roblox family, some of those will be in there. A lot of those will be in the mansion. Because some of those are like me and Wyatt. If you probably saw Wyatt in a lot of those. Some of those are my dogs.
Stuff like that.
Some are cars. This guy just keeps following me around.
He can follow it. If he punches you, the worm will kill him though, and you'll get his stuff.
Oh yeah. What if I punch him?
Then you'll die.
Do I have anything in my inventory?
You'll get killed and your criminal record will expire.
How fast will this happen?
You have to be in the Warzone / mining area.
So,
Need your shower. Near showers is what spawns the quartz.
yeah. You want a base raid?
Nah, murder. Someone's wearing
It'll be fun for the viewers.
watching us get murdered.
Yeah.
That's not very fun.
Yeah, it is. Viewers is actually fun. A lot of times you just get killed by people in Diamond Armor or down there.
No, it's more guards.
No, people in Diamond Armor.
Yeah. Souls that hurt.
Hey, Warden. What if I punch the Warden?
No, do it. Do it. Do it. Punch it.
I'm scared.
Punch it. Why can't you? Oh, you can't attack.
Oh, he can't. So if you hit someone, ooh, I want this person to hit me.
I think he's chasing me. Oh wait, no, I'm long gone.
Where is he? I've lost him.
Well, I'm long gone.
Oh!
Me looking this way is save screen. Oh, well, that's a cave.
Or iron coal.
Okay.
Ah!
Do you know how to mark coordinates? What button is it? Alright.
But it only gives you one piece of coal though.
Yeah, but iron.
Can't mine iron yet.
Yeah, but when we can. I don't know how to mine. Sorry, people. I know we're noobs.
We are noobs.
Wait, how come we have mine fatigue?
I don't know.
But we can still mine normally? Yeah, I guess.
Oh, I thought that was supposed to. Oh. Like, oh, crap.
Well, to be fair, the wards would kill him and you were gone and stuff. Although I may or may not just saw a player. I could tell. Guys, screenshot it and send it to Nerdboy Studios Instagram account. Because,
Dude, I'm getting pieces of coal. You can mine the pieces of coal. The coal blocks.
But are they super hard to break? We need a pickaxe.
Well, I just broke one, like, easy peasy. No, that one I can't even break. Some of them you can break, like, the paper, and others, like, this is feel like bedrock. I forgot to bring my cookies. I just realized. Okay, shop.
We should meet at shop and then let's end off this video. Okay?
Okay.
I'm so dizzy.
Just stop. We actually went like that for mystery portal family. Portals family.
Yeah.
Okay, so 4, 8, 12, 16 cents from that. Didn't get much from that. Okay. But I got something better than you did.
No, I got $120. You have 111. Here, I'm gonna give you a gift.
Wow, 1 cent. 1 cent.
I gave you a cent. Pick it up. Pick it up, Slade. Pick up your cent. I gave him a penny. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this video, everyone. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
I'm still recording. Bye, guys. Bye. Unsubscribe to Lenny Pendy or
Nope,
and subscribe to Nova Studios. Bye.